Most BMW engines don't fail because of aggressive driving. They fail because they never get the chance to survive. Short trips, cold starts, 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there. City traffic, stop and go, engine off, engine on, again and again. To most drivers, this feels normal. To your BMW engine, it's slow mechanical torture. If you mostly drive in the city, commute short distances, or use your BMW for errands, this episode is critical. Because short trips are one of the most underestimated BMW engine killers. And the worst part? Your engine may feel perfectly fine, right until it isn't. If your goal is to make your BMW last 200,000 to 300,000 miles, not just until the warranty expires, subscribe now. This channel is about engine survival, not "it's normal, don't worry" advice. Now let's talk about why short trips quietly destroy BMW engines. Most drivers think, "My engine warms up in a few minutes." That's false. Your BMW has two very different temperatures: coolant temperature, oil temperature. Coolant warms up fast. Oil does not. On short trips, coolant may look normal. Oil stays thick, cold, and poorly lubricating. BMW engines rely on precise oil flow for turbo bearings, Vanos systems, timing chains, hydraulic lifters. Cold oil flows slowly, lubricates poorly, increases metal-on-metal contact. Repeated short trips mean your engine lives its entire life in cold conditions. If your BMW doesn't reach full oil temperature, the engine is under constant stress, even at low RPM. Short trips cause a problem most owners never think about: fuel dilution. When the engine is cold, fuel doesn't burn completely. Excess fuel washes past piston rings. Fuel mixes with engine oil. On long drives, this fuel evaporates. On short trips, it stays in the oil. Over time, this causes thinner oil film, reduced lubrication, accelerated bearing wear, timing chain stretch. Your oil may look clean, but chemically, it's already compromised. This is one of the main reasons BMW engines fail early despite regular service. Short trips demand shorter oil change intervals, not longer ones. Every combustion engine produces moisture. Normally, long dries evaporated. The crankcase dries out. With short trips, moisture never evaporates. Condensation accumulates. Sludge begins to form. This leads to internal corrosion, oil contamination, PCV system overload, increased oil consumption. BMW engines are especially sensitive because of tight tolerances, complex crankcase ventilation systems. Sludge doesn't appear overnight. It builds silently, mile after mile. If your BMW only does short trips, moisture is slowly killing it from the inside. Turbo BMW engines suffer more than naturally aspirated ones. Why? Because turbos rely on clean oil, proper temperature, stable pressure. Short trips cause cold oil entering the turbo, incomplete lubrication, carbon buildup inside turbo oil lines. On shutdown, the turbo never reaches proper operating conditions, but still experiences heat cycles. Over time, this causes turbo bearing wear, oil coking, reduced boost efficiency, sudden turbo failure. Many BMW turbo failures blamed on bad design are actually caused by urban short trip driving. Short trips plus turbo engines equals accelerated turbo death. If you drive a BMW diesel and mostly do short trips, this is critical. Diesel engines require long, steady drives, high exhaust temperatures, complete DPF regeneration cycles. Short trips prevent regeneration. This leads to DPF clogging, forced regenerations, excess fuel injection, oil contamination, turbo overheating. Eventually, warning lights appear, power drops, repair bills explode. Many diesel BMWs are mechanically healthy, but destroyed by urban use. BMW diesel engines are not designed for city-only driving. Engine wear is highest at startup, before oil fully circulates. Short trips multiply cold starts. Start drive 5 minutes stop. Repeat multiple times per day. Each cold start causes increased friction, delayed lubrication, stress on timing components. One long drive causes less wear than multiple short ones adding up to the same distance. 10 short trips cause more wear than one long trip of equal distance. Modern BMW engines are software-driven. Short trips disrupt sensor calibration, Emission systems, adaptive fuel mapping. Common issues include fault codes without real failures, rough idle complaints, increased fuel consumption, inconsistent throttle response, owner's chase sensors, coils, injectors, while the real issue is usage pattern, not parts. Short trips confuse BMW engine management systems over time. BMW engines are not fragile. They are purpose-built machines. They thrive on stable temperatures, clean oil, long operating cycles. They suffer when treated like grocery getters, stop-and-go city cars, cold start-only vehicles. If your driving is mostly urban, your maintenance strategy must change. If short trips are unavoidable, you can still reduce damage, change oil more frequently, use high-quality oil, correct viscosity, drive gently until oil is warm, avoid aggressive throttle on cold engine, take a 20 to 30-minute highway drive weekly. Don't ignore early warning signs. These habits can double engine lifespan even with city driving. BMW engines don't die from mileage. They die from never warming up properly. If you want BMW-specific survival guides, not generic car advice, subscribe now. Upcoming episodes will cover overheating without warning, modern turbo mistakes, warning lights that cost thousands. Many BMW engines with low mileage fail due to urban driving patterns, not defects. Fuel dilution causes more bearing damage than aggressive driving. A single weekly long drive can significantly reduce engine wear. City-driven BMWs often need double the maintenance care of highway-driven ones.